Stop. If you clean your bathroom like this, you're basically seasoning it for bacteria. Yes, seasoning, like a cast iron skillet, because 10 ways you're cleaning your bathroom wrong are happening right now, and your bathroom knows it. It's laughing. Let's begin before the toilet gains sentience. Number 1, you start with the toilet. You march straight to the toilet like a hero and immediately lose. Cleaning the toilet first is like mopping the floor before a house party. Everything you touch afterward redecorates it. Sink, recontaminated. Counter, toasted. Your soul, questioning itself. The toilet is the final boss. You don't fight the boss with one heart and a dream. Number 2, you use the same sponge everywhere. You tell yourself, it's fine, I rinsed it. No, that sponge has a resume. It remembers places. It carries secrets. When you wipe the sink after the toilet, congratulations, you've invented poop-based aromatherapy. If your sponge has seen things, it should be retired with full honors. Number 3, you spray and immediately wipe. You're not cleaning, you're just moving moisture around. Cleaning products need time to work. When you spray and instantly wipe, bacteria clock out early and collect unemployment. Give it a minute. Let chemistry do the heavy lifting. You deserve the break. Number 4, you forget the flush handle. Everyone touches it. No one cleans it. That handle is the Times Square of your bathroom. High traffic, zero supervision. You clean everything else and leave that handle dirty like it's under diplomatic immunity. Number 5, you clean the mirror last. Wrong order. By the time you reach the mirror, your cleaner is weak, your patience is gone, and you're wiping in circles like you're trying to summon a ghost. Clean the mirror early while your standards are still high and your will to live is intact. Number 6, you ignore the shower curtain. You say, it gets cleaned when I shower. No, it doesn't. That's not how reality works. Your shower curtain is a damp introvert that collects mold and judges you silently. If it smells like a forgotten gym bag, that's not ambiance, that's neglect. Number 7, you use way too much product. More cleaner does not equal more clean. It equals residue. Residue equals streaks. Streaks equal rage cleaning at 11:47 p.m. You're not frosting a cake. You're removing grime. Calm down. Number 8, you never clean the trash can. You empty it and think, mission accomplished. No, that can is fermenting. It's a soup, a dark, sticky soup of tissues, floss, and regrets. Emptying it without cleaning it is like changing socks without showering. Number 9, you skip the light switch and door handle. These are touched constantly. You clean everything except the things you touch every single day. That's like washing your hands but licking the doorknob on the way out. Number 10, you clean when you're already angry. This is the biggest mistake. You're mad, you're rushing, you're slamming cabinets like they owe you money. Angry cleaning leads to missed spots, sloppy work, and a bathroom that somehow feels worse afterward. Clean with intention, or at least with snacks. And there it is, 10 ways you're cleaning your bathroom wrong. And yes, at least 3 of them hurt your feelings. That's growth. If this saved you from accidentally marinating your sink of bacteria, hit subscribe. New videos every week that make your life cleaner, funnier, and slightly more judgmental in a loving way. Now go clean your bathroom, and this time, do it like you mean it.